Looks like we have like a real captain over there today. Cool. So I have the lemon ricotta pancakes here at Captain's Grill, and Dan has eggs Benedict, yeah. Not funky ones, right? Just normal. Are they on pancakes?
Yeah. It's a muffin.
Oh, that's a really big English muffin. Huh. Okay. So, Animal Kingdom, last full day, last park day. I just had our pictures taken. Now we're headed for Festival of the Lion King. Then we have a fast pass for Everest, and then we're probably headed for Disney Springs. It's really nice out this morning. I don't know how hot it's going to get later, but it's really nice right now. Over there's the crane for Pandora, or cranes. I don't know. It seems like to me they need to kind of get busy if they're going to have it done by 2017. Beach Safari. Oh, flicks out. Definitely busier than when we were here the other night. Looks like everybody's still treating Animal Kingdom as their morning park.
Listen, listen, listen.
From a record-breaking 2 million years at the bottom of the evolutionary ladder, let's hear it for the Tumble Monkey! professional artiste coming through. Excuse me, my human friends. Since someone has neglected to establish a meerkat section, I guess that leaves me to sing the melody. So, if you're finished with all the talking, can we start the sing-along already?
All right, along. Let's take it from the town.
Okay, listen. The jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the lion sleeps
I think it's pretty clear. I think the giraffes and the elephants won.
I think it's pretty clear, all right. Pretty clear. The lions are what?
Well, hopefully Everest will be up. It looks like it's running. It was down the other night when we were here, so. There's a light someday. And since Callie was down earlier, which was just kind of a throwaway fast pass for us, we can now ride Expedition Everest twice. So, here we go. But we discovered the bus stop that you need to get off on if you want to do this is the Congress Park bus stop. And it's a pretty direct walk to the waterfront from there. And we've only been walking a couple minutes, so I would guess it's probably not more than 5-10 minutes max. Headed for Earl's Sandwich to get some lunch. I'm loving all these little Mickey heads. I'm sure they look really cute from the other side. Here's my Mickey. We're trying to figure out what these berries are. Someplace else too. I wouldn't imagine they're poisonous because I don't think Disney would put something like that where little kids could get at it. But I don't know. They're all over. Let's see how they actually took my ears off. not a bad walk at all. Yep, Disney Springs. Alright, we're here. Okay, so mine was the ocean something. What was yours again?
Oh, gone.
Something with cookies and cream. Anyway.